I'm Tina Orwall. I have the honor of representing the 33rd Legislative District in Washington State. I'm here visiting Belfast. Here today to really learn more about innovation and green energy. The beautiful state of Washington has mountains, it has water, and we're really concerned that we develop technology that is good on the environment, that's clean and sustainable. So I'm here to learn. I got to go out on that beautiful vessel over there, and it was amazing. It is smooth on the water, it's fast, and I just can see it on the sound and just being really good for the wildlife. So we're really excited to be here. In Washington, we have all kinds of opportunities. We have a lot of ferries, including passenger ferries that would be great to electrify. We also have the pilot boats that are leading vessels in the Puget Sound area night and day. So a lot of those vessels, as well as emergency vehicles, which like our sheriff and our fire department, all have vessels that need to go out frequently into the water. And again, when I think of the people doing that important work, it would be nice to have a safe and clean energy as they do their job. And I do think in Washington, there has been really important investments around clean energy, and I think it's an opportunity to have new partners as we expand and really make sure we're clean and green in Washington.